Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Yes, the fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. Yes, and this will be number 5558. Yes, in the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, November the 29th, 2022, almost end of the month. I've already solved 3 puzzles. The 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and binary, and now it's time for the tectonic. Yes, tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Well, this one has 12 20 digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 20 digits. This one has 12. Could be an easy, could be a hard one. I do not know. We will see. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single boxes or boxes is always a 1. I see only one single box. Single box always a 1. Do we have here dual box? I see here 1 dual box contains the 1 and a 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 1 and a 2. I do not know in which order. So triple boxes then. Do we have triple box? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there, and the other 2 numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box, the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. This box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. The other side, 4 or a 5. Well, the 5 is already filled in. Okay, more triple boxes? No, I believe there's only 1 then. Quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box, there a quadra box, 2 quadra boxes. Here also a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Here, this box. Yeah, here could be everywhere. The 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Here we have also a quadra box in an L shape. Where you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, that is this box, the inside box of the L shape is always a 5. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. When you see the T shape, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Oh, let me do this with the other color. Yes. T-shape, only 1 T-shape. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No, only 1. Yeah. Let me draw this. Here are the boxes. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Following shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh, overlook this one. Rotate it. So this box has the same number as that box. So the previous shape. So in this case, it's a 5. Overlook this one, yes, overlook this one. Okay, let me continue with the L shape. We have more L shapes here, another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Well, it cannot be a 4 here, because if I place a 4 here, this box should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here. Okay, it's not a 4. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. Let me do this later. Okay, then the following shape. About the shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more shapes that you need to recognize? No. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, maximum of 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of those shapes that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And then these 3 boxes surround a 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 4, can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be here. Then this box can be a 4, that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, let me mark those 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area should be there. Then well, come on. These 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2, but also that box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. This box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 4, but also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 4. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can also not be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Yeah. Let me see. Well, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. It's in the same area. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. I should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers are 1 and the 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and the 1. 2 and a 1. Let me mark those 2 and a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and the 3. Okay. Think. Well. 3 and 5. 2 and 1, 1 and a 5. Come on. It's taking too long. Okay. 1 and a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4 here. Okay. Now, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have the 4 in the same area. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 2. Then, yeah, let me think. 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Well, these are 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, so 2 numbers are left for the other pair, the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Okay. Then well, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then yeah, 1, 2. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. So 1 digit left should be the 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Wait. I think this box should be a... No. Need to wait. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 1. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and the 1. No. 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Yeah. 4. I need a 4 here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And the 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there in this quadra box, okay. 2 and the 1. 2. Well, I need a 4 here. Well, 4 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Come on. 2 or a 4 could be here. Well, I need to wait here. Okay. Alright. 1, 2. Well. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only box left in this area for the 1 should be here. Then. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. 1 box left for the 1 in this L shape. Quadra box should be there, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. A 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Oh, overlooked this 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. A 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. Need to wait. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Yeah, so 4 and a 5. Well, this box can be a 3. That means that 2 boxes left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 here. That means that this box can't be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Okay, now we have a 5 and a 4. Oh, overlooked here. 5 and a 4. Okay. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. We have a numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes at there. 4 and a 5. Need to wait. 4 and a 5. Overlooked 2 and a 1. We have a 2 here. Overlooked. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Final 2 numbers in this area. Oh, no. 4 and a 5. 2 numbers left. A 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No, let me give this. Oh, no, not also 3 stars, because for 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow on Wednesday, new day, new puzzles, and yeah, see you then. Bye bye for now.